in this video we will see how to set up GitHub Copilot in VS Code. So guys, if you want to set up GitHub code in the VS Code, so guys, first of all, you simply go to your main page. After that, you simply go for the option of extensions. In the extension guys, here you simply search the Copilot and hit enter. When you hit enter, so guys, here you see when I click on the option of Copilot, so guys, my feature is enabled. So you enabled AI features. Okay. After that you for the sign in first you go back to your file and folder. So you choose any folder where you want to work. So I like to create a new folder, then select folder. Okay, so this is my folder. Now guys, first I am already registered, but in your case if it is not so, so guys, here you see the option of check. This is the Copilot. So click the option of use AI feature. So it asks you to trust and folder to continue. Then if you are not logged in, so you ask you for login like this. Okay, sign in with your Copilot account. So you simply go for the continue with Google and you just allowed, and your GitHub token is invalid. It shows, so you just give the access to continue. Authorized your Visual Studio Code. When you authorized, so it start launching your Visual Code and you are successfully logged in your Copilot. Now here you, if you want to choose the model, so you just go here and change your model and hit yes. So guys, this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.